What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to adjust Apple Focus modes to manage all notifications and calls, customizing your device for various activities like working, driving or sleeping. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Apple's Focus feature is designed to help you stay in the moment by silencing notifications and calls that aren't important to your current activity. Start by opening the Settings app and tapping on Focus. You'll see some preset focus options, but you can also create custom ones. Before diving into customization, you might want to enable Share across devices to apply your focus settings across all devices signed in with your Apple ID. Also, consider turning on Focus Status to let people know when you're unavailable due to silenced notifications. To create a new focus, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. You can choose a suggested theme or tap Custom to create your own. For this example, let's set up a gaming focus. Tap Customize Focus to start personalizing. In any focus mode, you can decide which notifications are allowed. By tapping People, you can select individuals from whom you want to receive notifications. Alternatively, you can choose to silence notifications from specific people. Next, customize app notifications by tapping Apps. You can either select apps from which you want to receive notifications or silence notifications from specific apps. Adding apps to your list ensures that only important notifications get through during your focus time. Focus allows you to further personalize your experience with a custom lock screen and home screen. Choose a lock screen that suits your focus theme for a visual reminder that focus is active. You can also select a specific home screen page to be visible during this focus to minimize distractions. Setting a schedule for your focus is straightforward. You can have it activated automatically based on time, location, or app usage. This feature is useful for establishing routines, such as silencing work-related notifications outside of office hours. For more nuanced control, add focus filters to allow or silence specific types of notifications from certain apps. This customization can be accessed by tapping Add Filter and selecting the desired filter, like silencing work calendar invites or only allowing messages from your VIP list. Activating your focus is easy. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the Control Center. Then tap on Focus. Select the focus you want to activate, or use the More button to set it for a specific duration. If you've associated a custom home screen page with your focus, your iPhone will automatically switch to it, hiding all other pages. All silenced notifications are immediately sent to the Notification Center, where you can review them at any time. If you've chosen a custom lock screen for your focus, it will appear when your iPhone locks, complete with an icon indicating the active focus. You can change or turn off your focus directly from the lock screen or the control center. And that's how you can adjust Apple Focus modes on your iPhone, helping you stay in the moment and manage your digital life more effectively. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.